model, 60-plate VAUXHALL Vivaro TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI van motorcycle ramp body, silver, panel van mileage, 147350 MOT, the 14th of February 2024 engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 90 bhpb transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a slight rattle. Timing chain has jumped a gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Fault code confirmed timing is out camshaft incoherence. This should be absolutely fine when a new timing chain kit is fitted. We've done this numerous times in the past but just don't have the time anymore. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: aluminium, motorcycle loading ramp EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,